Tweets by Republican lawmakers from Texas mocking California power outages are being criticized this week as the Lone Star State grapples with winter storms that have caused many to lose power in their homes. GOP lawmakers dinged Democrats when in 2019 massive heat waves in California caused widespread power outages that impacted 30 of the state's 58 counties. Over the weekend, an unusual winter storm left millions in Texas without power, causing the state's power grid operator to declare its highest state of emergency and bringing to light the Republican lawmakers' old tweets. A tweet by Senator Ted Cruz R. Texas from last August received particular attention for blaming Joe Biden and Kamala Harris, who were then running for president and vice president, and Rep. Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, who represents New York, for wanting to make California's failed energy policy the standard nationwide. Retweeting a post about this article, Cruz said Tuesday evening that he had no defense, urging Texans to stay safe amid the blizzard. A tweet by Representative Dan Crenshaw R. Texas from September also resurfaced in which he quote-tweeted the account of the mayor of Los Angeles and wrote, "Alexa, show me what happens when you let Democrats control energy policy." The mayor's tweet had suggested Californians turn off excess lights and unplug appliances to conserve energy. Representative Ruben Gallego tweeted on Tuesday that the impact of the winter storms in Texas should be a lesson to stop dunking on other states when they are going through disasters. "I hope this will teach Texas politicians to stop dunking on other states when they are going through disasters." All Americans deserve help and empathy from fellow Americans no matter if it is a blue or red state. "I am guilty of this and will be better," Gallego tweeted.